everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be relatively short. We have been shopping and have gotten a few doll related packages in the mail over the past couple of days, and I wanted to share them with you. Before we bust open those packages, just a brief friendly reminder that interacting with content creators' videos helps them by boosting them in the algorithm. So likes, comments, subscriptions are all very much appreciated. And if you have an AgTube account and you subscribe to my channel, please let me know so I can return the favor. All right, let's dig in.
I've got two packages here. First one, cute little ice cream cones. I'm a sucker for the decorative bags. Why not? And mermaid scales. Okay, we'll start with this one because I happen to know that it has less in it, and it is also, my wife totally peeked at it and then wrapped it back up for me. It is a caring for baby outfit. That much I can tell you. Let's get this paper out of the way. All right. Clearwater Crafts by HC. There we go. You don't need to see the receipt. There we go. So we were mainly excited about this. Well, one, it's super cute. And two, we already have a sweatshirt hoodie kind of thing that we got last year for the full size or for the 18-inch doll in this same exact material by a different seller. So we're hoping that maybe Corinne can do a little twinning with Blix. Look how cute that is. I'm going to try it on them later, but for now we'll go ahead and move on to the next thing. Cute. All right, now getting into this bag. I said it's an Etsy haul. It has a lot of Etsy items, but this was all purchased from a Facebook group, somebody selling their stuff. So there are a couple of things in here, at least one, and I believe this is it. That is, yep, an American Girl brand sweater. It's got a little bit of pilling on it, but I'm a fan of having some neutral sweaters, and I think any of our dolls could wear that. Any of them who are into polar bears, I guess. Well, this is cute. I honestly didn't even see this because my wife was the one who shopped that sale, so. This one I did see and I was excited about. I'm a sucker for these kind of necks. It's like cowl, boat neck combo. That's really cute. Love the stripes. And then skater skirt. Who doesn't love a cute? This is really bright. This is what I want to see together. That'd be cute. Okay, moving on. Some pants for the AG dolls. These are, they're not minky material. They're super soft. Micro suede maybe. That's cute. Let me move it down. I'm not going to describe this well, but it's like taupe and kind of muted gold. Really nicely made. Well finished back there. This, if you bought leggings like this, people would say they're buttery material. I love this. I love this material. I don't sew really that much, so I don't know if this is easy to work with, but it's definitely lovely to the touch. And a very nice, sharp-looking pleated skirt. Ooh, these would go well together. Yep. Bring out the pink in those flowers. I'll try that later. What else is in here? Oh, I'm excited about these neutral jeans for, whoa. Hold on, friends. I was excited about neutral jeans for Wellie Wisher, especially in case we get Bryant, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the leg is thinner and noticeably shorter. Darn it. That is so disappointing. Oh, let me move this down here. Like, look at that detail. That's adorable. Maybe not that, because I would have gone with black or some dark color so that it's not so obvious. Anyway, well, bummer. Okay, these are just plain leggings for Wellie Wishers. I don't think we can go wrong with those. And we don't really have much that's not AG for Wellie Wishers, so it'll be nice to branch out. Oh, that's adorable. Yeah, these are totally going together. That's adorable. All right, what else is in here? I think there's one more thing. Shoes. shoes, I love shoes. I'm going to do a whole video just on my AG shoes because it might be a problem. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. Those are adorable. You know, Sophia's can be hit or miss, but these are a hit. Those are so cute. And then these are some AG shoes. I don't know what if they're from an outfit or truly me mix and match. Who knows? But shout out to anybody who packs their shoes when they're selling them with some bubble wrap like this or, you know, tissue paper or whatever. All right, here we go. I probably would not put these shoes with this outfit. I mean, these pants with this outfit, but I just wanted to mainly use things that I had just purchased and show what it all looks like. Yeah, that's nice. Stitching is really nice. That's interesting. I think this flap is supposed to like cover up the Velcro, but it doesn't. It folds, I think, the opposite from what they intended. I don't care. Cute. Cute. It's a little old for her, but oh my gosh, look at the difference in the leg length. Yeah, and again, the little details on the pocket are very cute, but this is kind of sloppy looking. Eesh, those legs. All right, I put the leggings on her instead. That's adorable. Okay, yes. This outfit wins. It does kind of age her up a little bit with the off-the-shoulder thing, not gonna lie, but... Aw, Blix. You poorly named, adorable baby you. All right, let's see some other outfits. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna take a lint eater. What do you call those things? Like a D pillar to her sweater. This is cute. That I love. I really like those shoes. Yes, I like baby blue shoes. That's cute. I don't know if I'd put the shoes with that, but it works. Family photo time. And about this time when I was snapping some pics, my daughter woke up. So she came in the room. You can see. I'm not going to put her face on camera, but she did insist on getting in the pictures. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I've got some more things that we just ordered, so probably pretty soon there will be another little Etsy unboxing video coming up soon. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to let me know what you liked best in the comments. Give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you for my next video. Thanks for watching.